Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to give you an overview of 6 powerful machine learning tools: TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, Caffe, MXNet, and Chainer. We'll explore their use cases, benefits, and how they can help you build amazing AI models. In the world of artificial intelligence, choosing the right tool isn't just a matter of preference. It could mean the difference between success and obscurity. Today, we're diving deep into the matrix of top machine learning tools that are shaping our future. These tools are the hidden gears turning behind the world's most innovative technologies around us. But which one reigns supreme? Could choosing the wrong tool lead you down a path of inefficiencies or failure? The stakes are unimaginably high. In this video, we're not only going to explore each tool's strengths and weaknesses, but also understand their real-time use around us. First up, TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is an open-source library that's widely used for machine learning and deep learning applications. TensorFlow is known for its versatility and scalability. It's used for a wide range of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even robotics. You can learn more about TensorFlow at tensorflow.org. I have given the URL in the description box below for your quick reference. Next, let's talk about PyTorch. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch is a dynamic and flexible framework that's particularly popular in the research community. PyTorch is known for its ease of use and dynamic computation graph, making it ideal for experimentation and rapid prototyping. It's commonly used in computer vision, natural language processing, and cutting-edge AI research. Explore more about PyTorch at pytorch.org. I have given the URL in the description box below for your quick reference. Now let's look at Keras. Keras is an open-source neural network library written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow, Theano, or CNTK. Keras is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, which makes it a great choice for beginners. It's used in various applications, including image and text classification, and even reinforcement learning. Find out more about Keras at keras.io. Don't forget to refer the description box below for the URL link. Next, we have Caffe. Developed by the Berkeley Vision and Learning Center, Caffe is a deep learning framework that emphasizes speed and modularity. Caffe is particularly well-suited for image classification and convolutional neural networks. It's known for its performance and efficiency, making it a popular choice for academic research and industry applications. Learn more about Caffe at caffe.berkeleyvision.org. Again, URL link is in the description box below for your quick reference. Next up is MXNet, an open-source deep learning framework designed for both efficiency and flexibility. MXNet is optimized for both efficiency and scalability, making it ideal for a range of applications from image recognition to speech recognition and recommender systems. It supports multiple programming languages, including Python, Scala, and Julia. Discover more about MXNet at mxnet.apache.org. I have given the URL in the description box below for your quick reference. Last but not least, we have Chainer. Developed by Preferred Networks, Chainer is a flexible framework that allows for intuitive and dynamic neural network creation. Chainer is known for its flexibility and ease of use, especially in research and development. It's widely used in robotics, reinforcement learning, and other experimental fields. Learn more about Chainer at chainer.org. I have given the URL in the description box below for your quick reference. So there you have it, 6 powerful machine learning tools, each with its unique strengths and applications. TensorFlow and PyTorch are versatile and widely used across industries. Keras is perfect for beginners with its user-friendly interface. Caffe is known for its speed and modularity, ideal for image classification. MXNet offers efficiency and scalability, while Chainer provides flexibility for research and development. No matter which tool you choose, each of these frameworks can help you build and deploy amazing AI models. So, start exploring and see what you can create. Browse through our YouTube channel for an important update about how TensorFlow and PyTorch are helping AI developers to implement responsible AI as part of the development process. Thanks for joining us on this AI journey. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. Whether you're a user of AI tool, a project manager, AI model developer, a business leader, social media content developer, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, Responsible AI YouTube channel has something for you. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly. Subscribe now and be part of the responsible AI movement. Find us on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Facebook.